Scheduling an appointment. The first thing you're going to do is click and look for the North Suburban YMCA. After that, you will go ahead and enter your personal information. And then click Find Me. Only 2 of the 3 qualifiers have to match in order for the system to find you. After the system locates your account, you will find the next tab where you're going to schedule your appointment. You're going to start by clicking on the date you would like to schedule that appointment, what type of appointment you're looking for. Maybe you're looking for all of the classes on Monday, which it will list here. If you're looking for a specific type of class, you can hit appointment type and just click on that class. As of right now, our classes are not listed by staff member, just by the type of class. So you will need to reference the app or the paper schedule that is on the website in order to know who's teaching what. After you find the appointment, you go ahead and click Book. Your appointment request was created, and you should receive an email confirming that appointment.